wild animal's name. Watch, listen and speak. Lion. This is a lion. Deer. This is a deer. Elephant. This is an elephant. Panda. This is a panda. Monkey. This is a monkey. Kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Tiger. This is a tiger. Rhinoceros. This is a rhinoceros. Gorilla. This is a gorilla. Zebra. This is a zebra. Bear. This is a bear. Wolf. This is a wolf. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. Lion. Deer. Elephant. Panda. Monkey. Kangaroo. Tiger. Gorilla. Rhinoceros. Zebra. Wolf. Giraffe. Like, share and subscribe for fun learning videos. Thank you. Bye bye.